jumped out the window, they were right up on it.
So which shoulder do you have concern?
When the shoulder replacement.
Got some free water over here.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I can't ride or anything.
Anybody in pain? Anybody in pain?
Oh, really?
1 to 10.
Watch this.
1 to 10, what would the pain be?
It's
He'll do it.
Out of 7?
Want to do it?
What's your range of motion? What can you do right now?
I can
Whatever's
go,
troubling you in your life.
like things, but I can't go put my hair in a ponytail.
So you can't go back and go up here?
No.
Nothing like that?
It's about to be amazing. Something amazing is about to happen to you. Yeah.
Right now. Jesus. Freedom right now.
Once your man can die, and then face the judgment. Don't wait until your last day on earth and face the judgment in the wrath of God.
What'd you say? Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
This is more like it.
Forever. You can live forever eternal.
What about
That
one
is love.
This is
Follow him.
I'm saved.
Inside of you.
Let him pray in. So what's the number now? He'll pray in.
Does it hurt at all?
It hurts me.
Two or three. Two or three. Okay. Watch this. Go ahead. He's gonna put it. He's gonna put his hand on you again and watch this.
No, it's Jesus that lives inside. Jesus is doing all the work, okay? Wholeness right now, freedom right now. All pain now. Shoulder remain whole. Jesus now. Peace upon her.
And 33 years he did not sin. Jesus did not sin.
Okay.
Not even one, not even a slight temptation entered his mind. Jesus did not sin. We did all of that to show us how to live.
That was the miracle to me.
You can put your in a ponytail now. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to, your purse, I want you to take that purse off of that shoulder, put it on that shoulder.
Yeah.
All right? Take it off of that shoulder, put it on that shoulder. Now lift that arm up. Put that arm behind your head. Okay? Don't be scared. You're not going to feel any pain because Jesus just healed you.
So what's the number now?
No pain. It's just tightness.
Tightness and holding it and not being able to. That's
Full range of motion.
yeah.
So he's gonna.
It's my lack of motion is what's got me
Yeah.
down.
Yeah. So like we said, listen, so now you trust this, right?
Yeah,
Before you were afraid to pick your arms up, and God just took all of your pain away. So here's what we want to let you know, right? If he takes your pain away, it's a sign to you that something is happening or that something has happened. Because once it gets across to you that something took place, right, then you can trust him for the rest. So for instance,
chemical addiction counselor and help people get
so look, God's gonna restore your full range of motion to that arm right there.
so I gotta use it right.
No, she's about to touch your arm and the full range of motion is about to come back to your arm. Just like he took the pain away, okay? So they're about to touch your arm and the full range of motion is coming back to your arm. All right, now put your arm down. Now you can already raise it higher than you used to, right? So
Yeah, but I can't raise it without pain till now.
right? So that means that God is doing something. So listen, yeah. So listen. They're gonna touch your arm again. It's gonna give you the full range of motion. Go ahead, guys. Yeah.
Restoration. Range of motion. The joint is healed.
Yeah.
Right now, in Jesus' name, all stiffness go, all pain go. Right now, shoulder is completely healed, completely restored. In Jesus' name, we speak freedom.
All right, now lift your arm up.
Anybody need a prayer?
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at
Anybody need a prayer?
that.
So free.
Everybody
Look
in
at
pain?
yourself. Oh, we should be on TV. We should.
When two or more people are gathered in my name, I am in the midst. We are gathered in the name of
Gifts
Jesus.
in there, bring
No, I possess Jesus.
And he is
That's a gift. That's a gift right there.
You can have it
Possesses.
too. You can have it too.
Oh, I remember when I had a
and
bad
he's out here
surgery
right
when
now. He wants to heal you. He wants
I
to heal
remember
you.
feeling,
Yeah.
talking to
He wants to
Jesus
know
and
you.
feeling. It was like a
He wants
goosebump
to
type
know you.
thing. But I felt God. I felt everything I took on faith. I felt His real, and I to this day carry that in my heart.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
all real.
yeah, yeah.
That's amazing. Look God. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Where do you guys go to practice?
We
You just go in the
we're from all over.
Where we practice at? Where we practice our faith at?
You're on the streets and being good.
We practice our faith right here.